right hand is to be at the top, like this. Alright? And the left hand right at the bottom. Right to the bottom. You see my hand? Left hand at the bottom like that. There we are. Okay. Because that means that the left hand is used to softly guide it from side to side. Okay? Alright? So the right hand is where the strength comes from, to be able to push it backwards and forwards. Okay? So to activate the light technique, what you're going to do is there's this little control button here. You're going to take it up to the ceiling. Good. Okay? Now to push it down, this is deactivated. Try that one more time for me. Very good. And this. Okay, good. Now, what you're going to do is hold over to your right, like so. Eye to the right. Okay? We're going to be teaching you the two basic moves that we have here at the Jedi Training School. Okay? So, the two basic moves that we have here at the Jedi Training School are the high attack and the pendulum. Okay? So, greetings here to the green screen room. My name is Jedi Padawan Maharaj Leo. I shall be taking you through your lightsaber training today. Okay? So, the high attack is going to start over to your right. Over there, you're going to swing to the left into the middle. Okay? So, we're going to try and loosen your elbows a bit, get it away from your body, like this. There we are, much better. There. We're going to swing out and round and swing right. Okay. Okay? We'll try that. Get a little bit of a rhythm going. So you're going to hold over to your right, to your left, and keep going. There we are. Very good. Very good. Okay? Keep going. And going. There we are. And again, the more comfortable you become with this, keep going. Keep swinging. There we are. The more comfortable you become with this, the faster you can go. Okay? But we'll keep it nice and slow. Alright, and stop there. Okay, that's the high attack. How do you feel? Feel okay with that? Feel comfortable with that? Okay, wonderful. Now, I shall take you on to the pendulum. Okay, the pendulum, you're going to hold in front of you like this. Alright? Your elbows very high up like this. Then you're going to swing down to the ground like so. Okay? Then you're going to come up and around to the other side. Very good. And up and around to the other side. Okay? Very good. Keep going with that. Alright? You want to keep going exactly to my lightsaber. Alright? We'll try and impact on the lightsaber now. Okay? Up and to the other side. Very good. Keep going.